We'll guide you through how to install YouTube on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having the YouTube app is really convenient because you can then easily go and access it from the desktop and you can go and start using it. You can go and start watching your favorite creators' videos that they've gone and uploaded, or perhaps you can even go and find some new creators as well. So you can go and easily access the platform as you can just go and double click on it. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything. And without any further ado, let's go and get started with this. So for this guide, we are going to be using the Microsoft Edge browser. You can go and use that as well, just so you can go and follow the steps exactly with how it needs to go and be done. So what we need to do is go and open up Edge. So you may have it pinned in the taskbar at the bottom, or you can press search and you can go and type in Edge or Microsoft Edge to be specific. And it'll then go and open up, as you can see. So now what we need to do is we need to go and head to YouTube. So of course you could type in youtube.com in the address bar, or just go and search for YouTube and come to youtube.com. Here we are. Of course, you can go and sign in the top right if you wish. So you can go and click sign in and we can go and sign into our account. You don't have to do this though, but I am going to. Now here we are. So just stay on the YouTube homepage like so. And then what we can do is you need to go and head to the top right of Edge. There you're going to go and find three dots, which you want to go and click on. There are a few options, but find the three dots. It will say settings and more, and then click on it. And then what you need to do is you want to come down this list of options and you want to go and find more tools and hover over it. Now you want to come to the left and you want to go and hover over apps. And then you should go and see the option for install YouTube, as you can see. So then all you need to do is go and click on install YouTube and you'll go and get a pop-up saying install the YouTube app. So what we can then do is go and press install like so. And that's it. It's loading and it will now go and open up. And there it is. I'll go and say app installed. You can choose if you want to go and have where you want it to go and be pinned. I'll close this for now and I'll just go and close it as well. And I'll go and close out of Edge as well like this. Now what you can do to go and find the app is we can go and type in YouTube at the bottom and you can then click on it and it will open up. And I'll show you how you can add it to your desktop as well. We'll just go and wait for it to go and launch. So what you can do is go and right click on it and you can go and press pin to taskbar. And what you can also do is if you press the Windows button at the bottom and you can go and press all in the top right here. You want to then go and scroll down to Y, of course, it's alphabetical, and you can click, hold and drag, and you can then drag it onto your desktop, and there it is. So I can double click on it, and it will then go and open up. And we can then go and access YouTube and go and start using it. As you can see, here it is.